defy genetics? I mean, our genes determine what's going on. How can we change them? Well, I'm going to show you a few little tricks that you might be able to modify things. So, a primer, just for those of you that don't have a biology major. So, very easy. We have a cell. In the cell is a nucleus. In the nucleus is a chromosome. You know, those little sort of filaments. How many you got? How many chromosomes? 23 pairs of chromosomes. 46 total. So those little X things is one. Right? And they come in pairs. Except the X and the Y. There's only three of us in the room that have X and Y. Others if you have two X's. So if you blow up those, if you take those chromosomes and you stretch them out, they're actually coils of DNA, like little ladders of DNA. That DNA comes in little blocks. Those blocks we call genes. So there are thousands of genes in a chromosome, and you've got 46, so you've got thousands and thousands of genes. Right, so that's the basic start. So those genes, what do? How do they control us? Simple. A gene is just like a building block. So how the genes work is, this molecule splits open and you get other types of chemical called RNA. You've heard of RNA? There's DNA there. RNA comes along and it uses the code of the gene to build and make proteins. Proteins are what do everything in our body. Think of it. Enzymes, hormones, all the messengers in our body, everything that tells anything what to do is a protein. Those proteins are made based on the code in your DNA. Simple. So if you get a problem in your DNA or you have extra genes that control aging, which they are, how do they work? They code and they make proteins that determine whether we're going to be able to break down oxygen, whether we're going to digest food, how we process drugs, how we repair our cells, how we build muscle. All of those processes are determined by those proteins, which are in turn determined by those genes. So how the heck can you change them? Can you change your genes is the question? Not much. No. You'd have to go back. So there must be something in between that we can do something about.